Now, how could we have a 90s dancehall show without the hits of the 90s? Welcome to the Daytime Live stage. The big man, Tony Curtis, alongside the General, Alaze. Mad.
Check it out.
Eh?
Dance all days. Don't know 90s. Turn it up, make we hear it. All right. So apparently they got it wrong, but here it is now. On the ready, people? Let me hear you say yeah. Say, well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body, knowing not everybody has a body like you. Where we tell them, but I gotta think twice before I give mine away. Cause I know that all the games to pay, because I pay them too. Oh, but I need some time off from bad emotion. Time to pick my heart up off the floor. Ladies, let me reconsider my foolish notion. Well, it takes a strong man, baby, but I wait for something more. Because you got to have, I gotta have faith. Because you got to have faith to watch this now. There ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. There ain't nothing like the good thing, baby. There ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. There ain't nothing. But remember the first Tony Curtis hits. Watch this now. Do you catch the brand new lick? A machine of the old district. Butterfly driving all the young girls wild. Broke wine in butter. Me can't leave without seeing that Tony Curtis there. Sure. Do you wanna come? So when me sing say, can you have the glow? No man no pass up, say you know old guy, you're brand new. Man, damn it, you put you low. From your name I call. The man no kick you like a bow. No mix with Peter and Paul. When me tell them say, I'm so glad you're my girl. I call you every night, singing on the line from. So when me say, Alaze, 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 Alaze.
Salute, yeah. When me redeem that, check me on Instagram at DJ Alaze. Bad man, everybody we know what's got. My audience sing now, bad man, we got the fan base. Hey, we know. Well, bad man, no watch, girl, we no watch it. And we no lab on our chat, girl, name Joe Grind. Always a snatch, girl, man, no pretend that we not forget hard, girl. And that natural, no, we not us, girl, keep it real. Always a walk, girl, name Joe Grind. Always a snatch, girl, keep rich and chic on the day, but my audience could you sing? And my fans, oh man, we enjoy fire, bun. Oh man, we enjoy anytime we want a little louder. Oh man, we enjoy. Yeah, oh man, we enjoy. All we girls, could you do this for me? Hey. And we adore a man, I put no man before a man. I care about the status, could I rich, I could afford a man. We not ignore a man, cause we have to bore a man. Could I big up Ninja Man and Vibes Cartel? When shot I got GL, we not empty, no pale grill fly, no peak too real, of weed for sale. Malaya, big Queen's Council. Anyway, could I tell you something? Let me tell you about garden. Round and I expect the flowers crazy. Pop, with 5-0 for your what? Me and the crew, them not deal with. Where are we today? Hey, that's them of all times. Unless you don't represent the that's them of all time. Big up daytime, that's them of all time. I miss a daytime live. Anyway, have a blessed day. It is ID Alaze. Check me on Instagram at DJ Alaze. Sister, yeah, when my brother there. Freestyle.
Mad. Yo. Hold on, Frisco. Hold on, Frisco.
Yeah, but them have to give me a showtime rhythm there. Whenever listen, I never know says a medley something.
No, man. But I know yet, no, man. We'll wrap out the segment, man, and then forward, man. I will shut it up.
Oh, there's something can do a medley thing.
Yeah, man. You mean, man? You name Frisco Kid it up there. You think a regular artist?
Let's play the showtime for me.
Hold on, we will come back. All right, so hold on. So now you know what you have in store. Frisco Kid going to perform for us as soon as we come back from the break. You don't know, this is Daytime Live. Yeah.